Welcome to Geelong, a city rich in history and surrounded by stunning landscapes. Join us as we dive into the fascinating past and vibrant present of this remarkable region. The land on which Geelong stands has been home to the Wadawurrung people for thousands of years. Their rich culture and deep connection to the land are evident through numerous heritage sites and stories passed down through generations. Geelong, or Geelong as it is traditionally known, holds great significance for our people. It's important to recognise and respect this enduring connection. Geelong has evolved so much. It's a great place to live, with beautiful parks, a strong community spirit, and endless activities. Just a short drive from Geelong, you'll find some of Victoria's most stunning natural attractions. The Great Ocean Road offers breathtaking coastal views, while the Bellarine Peninsula is perfect for wine lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. From its rich history to its modern-day charm and surrounding beauty, Geelong truly has it all. Whether you're a history buff, an adventurer, or simply looking for a great place to relax, this city won't disappoint. Geelong is a city established on strong foundations and set to grow even further in the future. As Geelong continues to grow, exciting new developments are on the horizon. With significant investments in infrastructure, education, and technology, the city is set to become an even more dynamic and prosperous hub. Geelong is experiencing rapid growth. Our focus is on sustainable development, ensuring that we create a vibrant, livable city for future generations. For nature lovers, the Geelong Botanic Gardens provide a serene escape with beautiful plant collections and picturesque landscapes. Adventure Park, Victoria's biggest theme park, is perfect for a fun-filled day with family and friends, featuring water slides, rides, and various attractions. Just a short drive from Geelong, you'll find some of Victoria's most stunning natural attractions. The Great Ocean Road offers breathtaking coastal views, while the Bellarine Peninsula is perfect for wine lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Geelong.